Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency as a beginner. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple different apps and ways that you can get started investing in cryptocurrencies as a beginner. The first app that I'm going to show you is Cash App. So this is a full service banking and investing app. This is going to be the easiest way for you to get involved in crypto. You want to sign up for a Cash App account. By the way, if you use the link down in the description, you can get $5 for free. Once your account is created, you want to come to this screen here down in the bottom left of the tab bar. This is going to be your cash balance. And then you want to tap the Add Cash button. From here, you can just type however much amount of cash you want to add. Let's say I want to add $5. I'll just tap $5 and then tap the button at the bottom, scan my fingerprint. And just like that, it's added $5 to my balance. Instant transfers, you don't have to wait or anything crazy like that. From here, once you have cash in your balance, you want to come to the investing tab. This will basically allow you to invest in stocks and Bitcoin up here at the top of the screen. We want to be on the Bitcoin section, and when you invest, it's going to spend from your cash balance here. So here's a Bitcoin chart, up 8% today. I have $3,946 invested. One Bitcoin is $46,489. There's all of this information on here. You don't really need to pay attention to that yet. You might not even have a chart yet if you haven't bought anything, but you just want to tap the buy button and you can type in however much you want to buy. You can buy as little as $1. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin or anything like that. It's a good idea to just start converting some of your US dollars into Bitcoin, this future currency. So I'm going to do $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. There's going to be a 3% fee on this $1 purchase, which is 3 cents. The more you purchase, I believe, the lower the fee drops to. But then you just want to tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased some Bitcoin. It's that easy, just a few taps within Cash App. Currently, you can only do Bitcoin on Cash App. There's not any other cryptocurrencies, but I believe that they will be adding more this year. And if we scroll down here, we can see my activity. I've purchased $1 today. If I wanted to sell this Bitcoin, I'll just tap the sell button, type in however much that I wanted to sell, and go through the process. Then that money would show up here again in my cash balance, and I would just tap the cash out button. A lot of people ask about that, so I figured I'd just show how to do it real quick. The other benefits of Cash App is that you get a real Bitcoin wallet here. You can see that I have a Bitcoin address. I can send and receive Bitcoin to Cash App. Other apps like Robinhood are basically fake crypto. You can't manage your crypto. You don't have an address. You can't send or receive. It's a better idea to use an app where you have an actual wallet. On to the next app that I recommend. This is Coinbase. As you can see, they have lots of different cryptocurrencies that you can purchase. We're on the home screen down here in the tab bar. Again, you can sign up with my link down in the description. If you buy $100 of Bitcoin, I believe you get $10 for free. And with both of these apps, you're gonna have to have a valid ID and everything like that. And that'll be part of the sign up process. From here, you can go to your portfolio and you'll be able to see all of the tokens that you have in here. They also have a feature called Coinbase Earn. If you come to the home screen and scroll down, you'll be able to earn hundreds of dollars of free cryptocurrency if that's something that you're into. But anyways, here's your portfolio. If you want to purchase Bitcoin, you just tap the circle button in the bottom center. Then you can tap buy. You can choose from any of the cryptocurrencies that they have. I'm just gonna tap on Bitcoin. You can type in the amount that you want to purchase, tap preview buy. It's going to give us our order details. You can see that there's a fee on this purchase. The fee is 99 cents. However, if you purchase a lot more crypto, I'm just going to tap buy now to show you guys the process. I'll take the hit of $1. It's okay. View account, and you can see that purchase went through right there. So very easy to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase as well. Real quick, I'll show you guys a little hack. You can tap the button in the bottom center. You'll only be able to do this with a limited amount, but I think you can do it with like up to $500 or something like that. You want to tap buy, go to USD coin, type in $10, preview buy, and there's going to be no fee if you buy this USD coin. So you can buy the US coin, then you want to come to this site right here, Coinbase Pro. Like I said, this might be a little advanced for some people, but if you want to avoid the fees, this could be a good one for you. You want to come to this right here, select market. It's gonna give you a bunch of options. Go to USD coin and pick the coin that you want. So I'll just do Bitcoin. And then what we're gonna do, we're depositing our USD coin from Coinbase over onto this platform, which is basically their trading platform. So I'm just gonna type $10, deposit that. Your deposit is complete. So there's our $10 USD coin. Now here's the market and all of this stuff that's going crazy. If you just want to do market, type in max. It's going to do $10. It's going to be a 5-cent fee, which I believe is 0.15%. So very small fee. And then just tap place buy order. Success already. Your order will be right there. It got filled. Now you can see that we have our Bitcoin here, and we just want to go to withdraw. And we can move this Bitcoin over to Coinbase. No big deal. Max. There's no fee to move this or anything. And withdraw. So basically we just purchased through their trading platform, which has a much lower fee, rather than using the Coinbase app itself. You can see I have a little bit of USD left over in here, so I can withdraw that as well. Or USDC, I mean. Coinbase, max, withdraw. Done. Now if we go to our Coinbase app here, we can go to Bitcoin, my wallet. See, there's that transfer that just took place. So that's kind of a more advanced little hack that you can use if you want to avoid the fees. But honestly, just buying straight up through Coinbase is not a bad idea. Like, it might give you a 1% fee or 1.5% fee. But look at this, Bitcoin's changed 7.5% just today. So those 1.5% and 3% and 1%, they get eaten up. So it doesn't seem like that big of a deal to me. Anyways, there you have it. That's going to be the easiest way to buy cryptocurrency. You can start small and learn this way as well. Use Cash App or Coinbase. Links are down in the description. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.